Saturday morning, and I had planned a surprise brunch for my husband, Tom. We had been married for 5 years, and I thought we were happy. Sure, there had been ups and downs, but what relationship didn't have its challenges? I felt a flutter of excitement as I arranged the table with his favorite dishes, envisioning his smile when he walked in. As I stirred the pancakes, my phone buzzed. It was a message from my friend Sarah. "Hey, can I talk to you about something? It's important." My heart sank a little. I had a nagging feeling that it was about Tom. We had a small circle of friends, and I knew they often talked about our relationships. I brushed off the feeling and focused on the meal. As I plated the food, the door swung open. Tom walked in, looking surprised but genuinely happy to see me. We sat down to eat, chatting and laughing as we always did, but a part of me was still distracted by Sarah's message. After brunch, I decided to call Sarah. Her voice was shaky, and I could tell something was wrong. "Is Tom home?" she asked. I told her he was right next to me, and she hesitated. "I think you should know. I saw him with someone else last week." The world around me went silent. My heart raced as I tried to process her words. "What do you mean?" I asked, my voice barely a whisper. She explained that she had seen Tom at a coffee shop, cozying up to a woman I didn't recognize. They were laughing, touching, and it felt like a slap in the face. I could feel tears welling up, but I fought them back. "Are you sure?" I pressed. Her silence said it all. I hung up the phone, feeling like I had just been punched in the gut. Tom was still in the kitchen, completely unaware of the storm brewing inside me. I confronted him, my hands trembling. "Did you cheat on me?" His face paled, and for a moment, I saw fear in his eyes. "What? No. Where is this coming from?" But I could see the guilt etched on his face. He stumbled over his words, and I knew. The next few days were a blur. I was a mess, alternating between anger and heartbreak. I wanted to scream, to throw things, to make him feel what I felt, but instead, I found myself sitting in silence, replaying everything in my mind. The signs I had ignored, the late nights he claimed were work-related. Eventually, he confessed. He had been seeing someone else for months. It felt like my world shattered in an instant. All the love I thought we had was a lie. I was devastated, feeling betrayed by the person I trusted the most. In the weeks that followed, I found strength I didn't know I had. I moved out, started therapy, and surrounded myself with supportive friends. I realized I deserved better than a half-hearted love. Now looking back, I see that betrayal was a gift in disguise. It forced me to rediscover myself and what I truly wanted. I'm not just the girl who was cheated on. I'm a woman learning to love myself again.